DegreeWorks is a web-based tool for you to monitor your academic progress toward degree completion. To begin, sign in to MyValley using your personal username and password. You can access your DegreeWorks by selecting DegreeWorks from the My Links drop-down menu. The first section, titled Student View, will display your name, type of degree you are working towards, Valley ID number, program of study, and overall grade point average, or GPA. The overall GPA does not include the courses you are currently in or registered for. The second section displays the catalog term that you started your degree, how many credit hours are required for your degree, and how many credit hours you have applied to the degree thus far. The minimum credit hours required for an associate's degree at Kalamazoo Valley is 62. This student currently has 12 credit hours applied to their degree. The third section displays your program of study, including the courses you've met and those still required for your degree. Please note, it is very important to read this description, which gives you specific information regarding your major. This also shows your major and the institute you're transferring to, and if you're following an Associate of Arts or an Associates of Science degree. The required programs and general education courses are listed below. If a course is completed, you will see a green checkmark to the left of the course title. If a course is incomplete, the box to the left of the course name will be empty. This student has met their first English course requirement. They took English 110, College Writing 1, and received a grade of 4.0, which results in an A. You can also see how many credits the course is and when they attended the course. In this case, fall of 2018. Let's take a look at the Fine Arts area. It states that 3 credit hours are still needed to meet the Fine Arts requirement. Typically, each course equals 3 credit hours. Also listed are the courses that will meet this Fine Arts requirement. Select any of these course titles to reveal a pop-up window, listing the course description, credit hours, and any required prerequisites. These prerequisite courses must be completed with a 2.0 or higher in order for you to take the selected course. For Kalamazoo Valley courses, a minimum grade of 1.0 is required for completion. A green checkmark indicates that the course has been completed. DegreeWorks does not replace meeting with a counselor. It is crucial to meet with a counselor at least once a semester. If it is your first time attending Kalamazoo Valley, or if you are a returning student, please call 269-488-4040 to schedule a 30-minute appointment with a counselor to ensure you are in the correct courses for your degree.